Hi, my name is Lori, and this is my channel. I am Miss Lady. I am referred to as Miss Lady. My husband is referred to as the husband. I am married. Now, I have an alter ego. Her name is Sassy. Everybody knows Sassy Pants. So where she is she's a part of my personality, a part of the characteristics that I have. And it just became a lot of fun when I, created like a comedy inside my channel, but stayed on the serious to discuss products in boxes. She does unboxing. She did it slowly. And then now I have her doing other things, but she's a hoot. And that is me. It's still me. Okay. So there are 5, just letting you know. This is me. This is Sassy. There is depression and insomnia. I suffer from it. When you see me look over here, it's because that's where she's always laying down. That's the part of my life that I have to deal with. The depression causes insomnia. I sleep all day and then I can't sleep a wink at night. So Sassy refers to her as dumbass. When I look over this way, it's the other part of me. She's lazy ass. We call her Netflix. And that's the part that lives inside of me as well. On those days when I'm just tired, I've been editing, I've recorded, I've done a lot of things elsewhere in my own life. And I just want to sit down, relax, just do nothing, grab some food, the remote control, and turn on Netflix and binge, or pop it on Hulu and binge. We all have it in us. It's called lazy ass. And there's nothing wrong with it. Okay? There's nothing wrong with any of these characters. Just letting you know. I have fun with them. If any of you guys are familiar with Jeff Dunham, his puppets, I'm not a ventriloquist. I'm just somebody who released my inner kids, and everybody loves to watch. Because you never know what Sassy's going to say. When I look over this way, it's just my vanity mirror. And I call her Smart Cookie because that's the part of me that is organized, takes care of things, doctor's appointments. She keeps my schedule. She's the one that checks my bank account. She's got the planner out. She is my side, that side of me that is extremely organized. Okay, can't do a lot without her. But she annoys Sassy once in a while. Sometimes you're just like, man, enough. The line's straight. It's as straight as it's gonna get. When I look out into the audience past the camera, all I'm doing is looking at a focal point in my room. And that's all I'm doing, you guys. There is nothing behind this camera. Here's what has happened. As Sassy has developed more and more people absolutely just love when I am in that character. I just one day, sometimes I open my mouth at the wrong time, and I gave her a dating world. From a dating world, she found a boyfriend. From a boyfriend, she's out clubbing. From clubbing, she's now the manager of this whole recording studio. You know what I mean? I'm the landlord. She's the manager. So you kind of get what I'm saying. I'm giving her a life. The life is building. Now, I don't know where the heck this one came from. When a dumb lazy ass over here, I gave her a boyfriend. And it was just like, who knows? It's Slash. That's all we know is his name is Slash. And I do voiceovers, okay? So those are a little bit harder to do, but I'm getting the hang of them. Edward popped into the picture, and he's just a 21-year-old. He's like the kid at the movie theater that takes the flashlight and shows you to your seat. That's all Edward is. He keeps the popcorn filled. He keeps the cups in the cup holder. He keeps all the soda and the rum. And he serves my good beer. Yeah. Anyway, now this is one character in my videos that a lot of people might get confused with. The Karens that are all over every darn YouTube and you can't get away from them. Oh, the Karen this, oh, the Karen that. Okay, well, these poor ladies that are getting labeled because that's their real name. Well, in the very beginning, in one of the videos, I had a Karen. And she sat in the back and she just kind of disrupted the show. Sassy called her Karen one day and started referring to her as Karen. Then I said, you know what, you poor thing, All these women are getting a bad rap from it. I'm just going to call you William. So Karen is now William. And that's why you hear me say William or Sass. And then I say she did this, she. Okay, William is Karen. Even though Karen is not her real name. You get it now? All right. I hope I'm making sense to those of you that are coming onto the Sassy scene for the very first time. Anyway, I wanted to keep this video a little short, but I also really wanted to explain to a lot of you where all of this comes from. No, I do not have split personality. No, I do not have any kind of disorder. And no, this is not a show called Sybil. If you guys don't know what that is, look it up. I am having some giveaways. I am going to be doing a giveaway. As a matter of fact, I'm going to do one of them right here in this video to help you guys understand my 5 characters. Because really, I am part of the 5. I'm the main person, if you think about it, okay? There's me. There's Sassy. There's, see, we'll start around the room. There's dumbass, which is depression and insomnia. Then there's lazy ass. And then you have smart cookie, okay? And we added Greg. Greg's her boyfriend. We added Slash to Netflix. William's in the back. And then if you look over here, you have Edward. I have no clue, you guys, what I'm going to do next with their lives. But I will say this. I do not rehearse any Sassy videos. Not a one. Whatever comes out of my mouth comes out of my mouth on the fly. That's how I am. I can be sassy. The sassy in me is a smart ass. She's got, sarcasm. She speaks her mind. She is open. She is honest. And she will tell you like it is. That's just how it is. That's the person in me that protects my family. That's the person in me that protects me. So, all right, you guys. Listen, now let's go ahead and do at least one of the giveaways right now. This one is going to be because I know we did 2 combos. I hear her. She's out there yelling right now. Yeah, isn't this cute though? Because like we're getting ready for spring. And real quick, see this right here? See that? Okay, so hop into spring. That's a collab that I'm in right now. And it is like a Easter springy, it's spring. It's the spring vibe. It's a gift box exchange. Or they call them Round Susan or something. I don't know. I still fumble on what they call that. Round Robin. Okay. There's 11 of us, 10 channels, because you guys know Wicked Awesome Lifestyles has Erica and Sherry. So you'll see 10 channels, but 11 individuals. That is coming. That is coming on April 9th. Now for the giveaway, I know we're already at 10 minutes. I didn't even want this video to be more than like 5 to 6. But these voices in my head, they get loud, Sometimes it's like everybody out. Just get the hell out of the boardroom. Oh yeah, and when Sassy says the boardroom, that means I'm up here talking to myself. Don't tell me you have never walked away and chit-chatted with yourself. Okay? Especially if it starts yelling and gets all pissed off. Just, she does that all the time. I think we're going to have 2 winners, okay? Because I think that's what I'm going to do. It's a makeup. It's a makeup beauty bundle giveaway, or just whatever you guys want to call it. I have 2 Athr Beauties, you guys. I have these 2 Athr Beauty eyeshadow palettes. They're absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous. This is the first one. What is this one? Is called the Sunset. Desert Sunset palette. It does have a roadmap on the back. Remember, it is cardboard because they are Save the Earth, and which I absolutely love. There is no mirror. They said, why? Because you use one on your vanity. So, and I totally agree. These are more earthy tone colors. This is the first. That's the first palette, you guys. The second palette is the Moonlight Crystal palette, and it is this little bit, it's a little larger. It does not have a map of the shades in the back. It is still the same cardboard. And this casing kind of, if you can see, it just like encases I'm just going to kind of show you, even though it looks like I'm kind of fumbling around. I'm not. I'm just trying to get some, to show you what's in there. This one, I know you guys saw it when I unboxed it, but this one has the names on there. See it a little bit on the lid? Okay, it has the names of the shadows. The other one did not. This is them. Okay, so those are the 2 giveaways. Now I'm going to give you guys a secret word to use. Here's how it's going to work. I kind of like running my giveaways for 1 week. It makes everything easier. Now, I had a question for you guys on Mask Monday in my pinned comment. Do you like the winners being announced where, I think it's up here. No, it's not. Is it up there? Yeah, it was right up here where I post and you guys can see that thing going around from the comment picker. Or would you rather me do the 1 to 2 minute, 3 minute video where it shows the whole process of going and cut and paste and typing in the word and then everything? I kind of like it in a video, but please let me know in the comment section down below. Do you prefer a standalone, or do you prefer to know the winner when I'm in the middle of a video anyway? I might as well, you know what I mean? It's right there, you know what I mean? No, I don't mean right now. You guys get it. Okay. So here are the rules for the giveaway. Very simple, very easy, piece of cake. If you are interested in this palette right here, you are going to put the secret word down in the comment section, sunset. Okay? This is sunset. This is that beautiful earth tone. All right? So you are going to use the secret word for this palette is sunset. This is all happening on the same comment string. So just leave your comment down there. If you're interested in this one, you are going to use the word moonlight. The secret word for this one here is moonlight, because I'm going to be picking 2 winners. Moonlight, sunset. All right. Now, do not, and I repeat this, you guys, do not put both those secret words in the same comment. Not gonna fly. No. No. I will, boom, I will spin again. I want to make this fair to everybody. If you're interested in both palettes, you need to leave 2 comments. All right. Here's the other thing. As I mentioned before, I do like that they run for 1 week. Let's see. Today is what is today? Is today Tuesday or is today Monday? Shit, I don't even know what the hell day it is anymore. What the hell day is it? I'm totally lost. Okay, so today is Tuesday. This one is going to end on Monday. I won't do it in the Mask Monday video, but this, you guys, I don't want to think any harder than I already am. So all of that stuff is going to be, well, I always forget which side it goes. It's going to be right here. It's going to say the deadline for this giveaway is, and all that important information. But I'm going to say this as well, and I'm very serious about this. The information down in that description box is not just there for no reason. Read it. A lot of questions get asked, and the answers are down below. So, you know, you guys pop down there once in a while. You're going to find a lot of stuff, especially during giveaways, especially when I have a lot of products that I'm, you know, I showed you, I'm talking to you guys about. I put it down below. That's it. I'm done. I'm finished. I've had it. I got to let Sassy out. She's going nuts. And I promised her that I would put these on. So, and I know she loves the bunny ears, and she's probably going to take this off because she wants her headband that she goes to the club with. So you guys take care. Thank you so much for spending a little bit of time with me. And I greatly appreciate those of you that are new subscribers for sitting down, listening, and letting me explain where this cast of characters comes from. So if you'll do me a favor, one last favor, give this video a thumbs up, pop that subscribe button if you're just here visiting and haven't hit it yet. Don't forget to turn on your notifications bell, you guys. I upload videos, sometimes at the weirdest. I mean, it's 3 times a week, usually Monday, Wednesday, Friday, an occasional Saturday. I don't do any posting on Sunday because I'm filming. And then I got to edit, get my Mask Monday up. But usually Monday, Wednesday, Friday. If it's a surprise on Tuesday and Thursday, you want your notification bell set to all. That's it. That's it. I'm done. All right, you guys take care, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.